Setting up QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, go to the QuickBooks website and sign up for an account by providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will be prompted to choose the type of QuickBooks Online plan that best suits your business needs. After selecting your plan, you will be guided through a series of setup steps that include setting up your company profile, adding users, and connecting your bank accounts. To set up your company profile, you will need to provide basic information such as your company name, address, and industry. You will also be asked to set up your company settings, including your accounting method, fiscal year, and tax year. Next, you will need to add users to your QuickBooks Online account. This can include employees, accountants, or bookkeepers who will need access to your financial data. When adding users, you can assign different levels of access and permissions, such as administrator, standard, or custom. Connecting your bank accounts to QuickBooks Online is also a crucial step in the setup process. This will allow you to import your transactions and reconcile your accounts. To connect your bank accounts, you will need to provide your login credentials and authorize QuickBooks to access your account information. Once you have completed the setup process, you can start using QuickBooks Online to manage your finances. This includes creating invoices, tracking expenses, and generating financial reports. It is also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the QuickBooks Online dashboard and menu options, which provide easy access to all of the features and tools you need to manage your business. In terms of best practices, it is recommended that you set up a secure password and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. You should also regularly back up your data and reconcile your accounts to ensure accuracy and prevent errors. By following these steps and tips, you can quickly and easily set up QuickBooks Online and start using it to manage your business finances.